Get over to meteorologist Jeff Wardron with more about the continued snowfall on the Cascades.
Yeah.
And the fact that you might have seen earlier a few flakes on our local forecast down in the valley.
Yes, it's
We're
the first time.
keeping our eyes on that.
It is the first time we've added a wintry mix to the 7-day forecast. If you missed it, I'll be explaining why that's the case coming up. But at the moment, things have kind of calmed down around the metro area. Look at this live look from our Mary Hill Tasting Room and Bistro camera along the Vancouver waterfront. It is wet along the Grand Street Pier. We did have some showers passing through earlier, but at the moment, we're getting some decent breaks in the clouds. 40 degrees right now. It's cool. It's mainly dry. Well, as far as active rain is concerned, that has moved off to the east, and it's falling in the form of snow up in the Cascades, and we just have some spotty showers out along the west side, basically along the coast range, but the showers are definitely starting to ramp up. Some of them are turning heavy. We're expecting downpours and maybe some isolated thunderstorms along the coast and the coast range, and we're also seeing a mixed bag of rain along Interstate 84 transitioning to snow as you climb up into the higher elevations, Interstate 84 into the Blue Mountains. Temperatures are in the low to mid 40s along the coast, mid to upper 30s and low 40s across our western valleys. Still at 27 degrees at Government Camp. Be prepared for winter traveling conditions over the passes, and we're in the 30s for the most part in central and eastern Oregon, although the Dalles is at 40. Okay, I gotta take a second to nerd out a little bit. This is a very impressive cloud out there. We call that a cumulus congestus cloud, or cumulocongestus cloud, excuse me. That's almost a cumulonimbus cloud, which would mean that we would have a developing thunderstorm. I'm seeing some modest clouds embedded in there. That tells me that that cloud is pretty unstable. And these are the type of situations where if that moves on shore, it's going to be producing downpours and potential for some lightning and hail as well. So that's what we're expecting. On and off showers, downpours at times, maybe an isolated thunderstorm along the coast. High temperatures will max out in the mid 40s. The wind will be lighter from the coast to the Willamette Valley. Our western valleys are looking at on and off showers, downpours at times with highs in the low to mid 40s. We'll see similar temperatures and sky conditions across the Columbia River Gorge with a breezy west wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. By midnight tonight, we're probably going to pick up an additional 6 to 10 inches of snow up on Mount Hood above 2,000 feet, where we already have about 2 to 4 feet of snow at the ski resorts. And central and eastern Oregon is looking at frequent showers in the form of a wintry mix with highs in the upper 30s to the mid 40s. Showery conditions continue into Monday. We dry out briefly Tuesday. Overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, as Deb described, overnight lows drop into the low to mid 30s. At the very least, we have a wintry mix coming to the lowlands, but I think most of the snow accumulations will stay confined to elevations at and above 500 feet. We dry out briefly Thursday and Friday. Rain and mountain snow returns late Saturday.